Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you if you are looking anything's user manual, and then if you lost your phone's user manual, or you buy anything user machine or aircon or anything appliances in your home, and then you lost your user manual, so how you can find out. So I will give you the one website that you can find the actual user manual easily. So before we start, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all, open your browser and then you can type there manuals live. So this website will help you, manuals live, then hit enter. So you can see here the first official link, manuals live. Click that one. So now you can see here got search bar that you can search the user manual for any product. So I'm looking for my phone's user manual because I lost, so I just looking for my phone. I type the phone model and then I can search here. So for example, I just search Oppo Reno 7A. So that one I am actually looking the user manual. Here you can find out you can see different type of the user manuals. Here you can see the 34 pages, 50 pages, 2 pages. So different kind of user manuals. So you can easily select that. It depends on your brand. So I'm looking this one, actual of Oppo Reno 7A, notes on usage 50 pages. So I can choose my product and then see the user manuals as per here. You can see here the different types of categories here, all as per phone user manual. And then we can change here and this arrow to change. You can see all the user manuals is you can see online. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.